Today we're looking at this straddle drum lifter designed for lifting drums off Europallets from the 800mm narrow end of the pallet. First of all, we push the unit forward, the legs go around the small end of the pallet, our gripper's above the drum at the front, and we lower it down using this black handle, and as the gripper comes down, the bottom toggle goes beneath the lip of the drum, and the top hook goes over the top. So I can visually check that the catch is engaged, I can see that there. I then stand with a straight back and pump our handle. Once the drum's clear of the pallet, we can move the unit away. Because we only need to take it off the pallet and place it on the floor, I don't need to lift it to full height, I can just lift it a few inches off the pallet. So with our tiller, which is also our pump handle, pull the tiller back, then manoeuvre it out to demonstrate the manoeuvrability. We've got two fixed wheels on the front and two swivel casters on the rear. We'll then bring the drum round to this side. And then to lower it down, we've got our black lowering lever, so you twist that anti-clockwise and lower the drum down to the floor. Once we've taken the weight off the drum gripper, we lift it off with our hand and pull the unit back. And once we're disengaged, we're ready to go get another drum. This model's got an adjustable catch, so the catch can be adjusted to suit different drum types. As this drum's quite tall, it's about 1 metre tall, we need to lift our gripper up, and we also need to set the position of this catch for this different design of drum lip. So to do this, we hold our top hook, we pull out the pin which releases it from the lifter, so this is now released, and we fit it into another position within the catch, and if you check the operation manual, it will show you all the different positions that are available. We then refit our locking pin, and the catch is now further forward, suitable for this Mauser drum. We also have our kick plate at the bottom. We fold this up when we're handling plastic drums to save indenting or causing any damage. So we can keep this in a folded position unless we're handling a steel drum. Then bring our unit back. Line it up with our pallet, so we've got legs going down each side. And you need to bring the gripper up to the top of the drum. Bring the unit forward. And then we lower the gripper down over the lid. Again, through the guard, I can see it's engaged, ready to lift. Once we're raised, pull the unit back. These drums are full of water, so they weigh about 200 kilos each. Bring it alongside and lower down. Once the weight's off, lift our catch, move the unit away. We're now looking at the catch of this unit. The catch is fully adjustable to handle a wide range of drums. We can adjust the height of the catch by moving it down and up on this rack. To do this, we hold the catch, we remove the small pin at the bottom, we then hold the top hook and unhook it from our frame. It then slides down and we can hook it in at any position we wish to cater for shorter drums or move it up for taller drums. When we're happy with the position, we take our pin, refit it, and it's locked in place, ready to use. The top hook is also adjustable to cater for different drum types and styles. We can move the top hook forward for drums with larger lids, such as a Mauser drum like the blue one behind me. To adjust the top hook, we hold it in one hand. Again, release the pin. This is the second pin, slightly further back. So we take our pin out and our top hook comes out completely. To refit this in a further forward position, we have a number of different holes. We line up the catch with one of the holes, insert our pin, go straight through to the other side, and then you can see it's visibly further forward. In our operating manual, there's various instructions for different types and sizes of drums. At the bottom here we have a kick plate. This is folded down for steel drums, but when we're handling plastic drums or small drums, we simply fold this up out of the way and we're ready to go.